Good afternoon. This is Grok Pot AI, one of the software development projects from Severance International LTD and Site Survey 360. This is a sample of using Grok AI from XAI to do software development in Python and how to automate functions and activities using agents. So what I wanted to do here is just give you a brief video showing you that one of the simple applications that I've created. And what I did is I used this for X to automate my X account to post content using agents and automation. So what I did is I generated this application that goes out to certain sites and looks for certain content, and then it does some math. It looks to see if this article has already been used, and it allows me to do these activities in whatever kind of increment, the number of articles, and then it generates a list of articles. So here, this is just a very simple, easy use of agents, and it'll go through and find those, and then through additional activity automation, I can post those to my account, and so it allows you the ability to get a lot of work done in a very short period of time. You just set the interval on this, and then it's kind of a fire and forget. So just a quick video on how to use agents for automation using Grok AI and XAI.